So again, this is my circuit, and I've already shown how the position counter works. The part that I'm not going to explain is a status shifter, and what the status shifter does is it switches from from recording to playback mode, so we can have autonomous playback after the four positions are stored and the action button is clicked one more time. So the way it works is we have a comparator, and the way my circuit is designed is when we click the action button, first it is 0, and then it goes to 1, 2, 3, and 4, recording the first four positions, and then the fifth time it's pressed, then we go to playback mode. So the comparator takes in the current position, and it compares it to 5, and if it's equal to, then we can see that it goes through this OR gate into the register, and with one clock cycle, then the status is 1. And because I have like a feedback to the OR gate system, so it stays at 1 no matter what happens to the current position. And this is useful because in playback the position changes back again from 0 to 1 to 2 to 3, and I don't want the status to go from playback to recording mid playback. And there is still a reset button, and that's the only thing that could reset the circuit at that time. So this is how it works, and this is it on my circuit right now. So this is the status shifter circuit. Is these three ICs here, and this LED is the indicator. So this is a comparator, and this is the OR gate, and this is the register. And we can see here that I have the green wires are what's the green and the red wires here indicate the value, and I have it set to 101, which means 5. The blacks are the inputs, and right now it's set to 100, so 4. So if I move the last bit to 5, then it changes status to on, and even if I move it back to 0 or change any of the other wires, it doesn't do anything, because once the status is triggered, it's triggered until the reset is clicked.